Welcome to Tales Telling, a channel where stories bring wisdom, wonder, and tradition to life. Enjoy heartwarming folktales and unforgettable stories for all ages. Subscribe, like, share, comment your favorite moments, and hit the notification bell to stay connected. Let's keep our stories alive, one tale at a time. Deep in the heart of the Emerald Jungle lies the Gorilla Kingdom, a land of strength, wisdom, and unity. But peace is shaken when strange tracks appear, faster than any gorilla could run. Tano sees him, the cheetah, the fastest hunter in the wild. Sefu comes not for war, but for help. A sacred water stone has been lost. Without it, the great river will vanish. Strength and speed join forces, facing challenges no one can survive alone. They enter the shadow vines, a place where even the wind dares not whisper. Guarded by the Python Queen, the water stone will not be taken without courage and skill. With speed and strength they win, but it is trust that saves the jungle. And so, the kingdom learns. True power comes when differences unite for a common good. Thanks for watching Adventure in the Gorilla Kingdom and the Cheetah, an African jungle story full of courage, friendship, and moral lessons. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more.